In this video, I want to talk about 360-degree videos. Now, maybe you've seen this technology before. Perhaps you've been looking at a dream house and you've found there's actually a walkthrough video that allows you to go room by room. It allows you to see the entire house, the entire property, and it allows you to actually walk through it, see information about different areas. Some of it even allows you to take measurements so you can see how long a wall is or the distance between two set points. Now, this technology has previously always required a professional 3D camera. A camera that's incredibly expensive that you roll through the property or your store or wherever you want to create these 3D videos, and it creates a full 3D video imprint that you can then use for these video or these virtual tours. Now, this technology was always expensive. You needed this professional camera, and that was thousands of dollars. And then they're going to charge you a fortune for the software that actually allows people to do it. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a way to create these beautiful and highly effective 3D tours using nothing more than your mobile phone? In fact, nothing more than your mobile phone, this clever piece of software, and you can create incredible 3D tours that get results. Well, if you like the sound of that, oh boy, you're going to absolutely love today's marketplace deal. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team, and today we're incredibly excited to get to share VRStudio with you. Now, VRStudio allows anybody with a mobile phone. Now, it doesn't have to be an iPhone, it could be an Android phone. What it does need to have is the ability to take panoramic videos. So panoramic videos that allow you to circle around like this from a set point and capture all of the data that this system needs. So if you have a mobile phone, chances are you've got panoramic ability and this software is going to work for you. Now, VRStudio allows you to create these incredible tours that could be used in multiple niches. Maybe you've got a physical store and you want to really get an incredible online presence. Allow customers to actually walk around your store, see items you have on the shelf, and buy them right there in the application. Maybe you want to sell real estate, or perhaps you've got a property that you want to rent out, and one of the best ways to get people interested in that property is to actually allow them to take one of these virtual tours. So you go through the property with your phone, you take the pictures, you load it into this smart system, and you're going to get a separate link that customers can use to actually watch these virtual tours. You're going to be able to create beautiful maps and floor plans. You're going to be able to actually have video chat right inside of that 3D tour to actually make the sales for them. This is going to allow people from anywhere around the world to connect with your business and to see exactly what it is that you're selling. Now, let's say you're a car dealership, and rather than being a car dealership just focusing on your local area, people actually have to come to you. You could create these incredible virtual 3D tours and allow people from right across the state or even the country. Now, VRStudio is loaded with all of the features and functionalities that you need. Things like QR code scanning, ability to actually measure those rooms that you're in, full maps, and even VR use. So people can actually put on a VR headset and navigate their way through.